हेलो आई होप अल अफ यु गाइज आर डुइङ वेल। सो आज हामी जाँदैछौँ सुरसल खेल्न। हाम्रो अफिसको सबै टिमहरू सुरसल खेल्न भन्ने एउटा आइल्यान्ड छ त्यो डेभलपरसँगबाट ब्रिफिङ लिनलाई एन्ड देन अल्सो लाइक अ स्मल ट्रिप। दिस इज माई टिम, half of the team is still on the way, they are half the team is done. Hello बोल दो सब।
Hello. Hi.
We picked it from Ajman.
And I can probably do all kinds of artistic things except singing. I cannot sing to save my life.
You should try singing. Look at the camera, please.
मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. That's all. So we are going to do a test for terminologies of real estate. Okay.
I'm your secretary.
No oldies are going to speak. Over smart oldies will keep quiet. Only newbies will answer. Okay?
That's it. Come on.
All right. I have a list of, and nobody opens their phone to check, especially those I shared this with yesterday. All right. Najia, you first.
आप आगे सब माइक।
What is TM?
माइक की वायर आगे और बढ़िया वायर।
TM.
इतना ही है? नहीं, सही है।
What is the full form of TM?
Trademark.
नहीं जाएगा इधर।
Trademark.
मेरी भी आवाज़ है।
Trademark.
Listen, and nobody will shout and jump in the middle. Okay, this is only the person that is asked will respond.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. There's one more.
Oh,
Okay.
wireless. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, two mics.
So Zoeb is my helper today. He will carry the mic everywhere.
आप चलो ना।
Okay, Najia, what is ROI? Simple. ROI.
ROI, return of investment.
Oh, return on investment. Okay.
Investment.
Okay.
ये बिस्किट दे दो।
All right. Next, Tim.
What?
PDC.
I don't know.
Arcel PDC.
Give me.
I don't open. Guys, okay, here's
First credit check.
आपको कौन पूछ रहा
but I can ask you. Okay, guys, listen.
Guys.
Those that I'm asking the question to, if you peep and respond now, you will get a right answer for now, but you'll never learn it. The idea of this whole exercise is that you learn and you remember. So try not to peep. If you don't know, someone else will answer and you will know, right?
Okay.
This is not a competition. We are not judging you. We are just trying to teach you. Okay? So, all right, the newbie, not you. So hey, let's so enthusiastic. No, the
Calvin, Mr. Calvin, be ready.
Saif के लिए question है. Saif, what is PNL? PNL.
I know it's profit and something.
Yeah,
Profit
because
and
he whispered, right?
सभी
Again, you're not teaching
सभी
people.
उसी को पूछो सबसे।
Now Sohail will respond to this one. Just like that, with the finger
app,
twitch.
with the app or with the.
Okay, so
like
smart home system is basically electronically you're connected to your home from anywhere in the world through your phone or through an app.
Your thumb, your face.
Why is it important? Why do you think, Faiz, why do you think it's important to have a smart home? Or why are developers pitching smart homes?
Mostly, for example, if you're staying alone and you have some pet in the house and you want to control the temperature, so you can control the temperature in the house, maybe for dogs or something, while you are out.
Smart home, first and foremost, as you said, if you have pets, you can control the temperature of the house. They'll not be in the heat throughout the day when you're out, right? If you by mistake have forgotten to switch off your lights, you can access from outside, switch them off. If you are, it's summertime and you're near home, you can switch on your AC before you reach, so it's cool already, rather than, half the time when we reach home, it's
Every
hot.
day you can open the curtains.
Curtains. You can also, sometimes you may have your cousin, brother, sister, someone visiting your house and you're late. You can open and give them access inside the house. So all of these things are what you can do through smart home systems. That's why developers add them nowadays, then that becomes an added service. VOT. What is VOT? Kelvin, what is VOT? Zohaib, what is VOT?
VOT, vacant on transfer.
To explain it properly, VOT means vacant on transfer. Basically, when you're selling secondary properties in the market, more often they are either rented or somebody is living there. If they're rented, so when somebody is asking for a secondary property details, you always ask whether it's vacant or occupied, right? Vacant means it's clear?
Yes.
VOT. Okay. Not selling that unit right now. I have to give the tenant a notice this March to vacate next March. Okay, if I come in June and say I need you to vacate, then he will continue till June, so he will decide. The tenant will decide, okay, when my contract is finishing in March, I will leave, or he will say extend my contract till June and then I will leave in June. Now Majid cannot tell him to leave in 6 months. Majid has to give this 12 months notice to the client. That's why if it is tenanted, a lot of end users will not buy it because they cannot immediately vacate it. They have to give a notice, right?
Thank you.
Riya ji,
Ji.
Mic thoda piche.
after this training, can I sing a song?
You want to sing a song now? We can do it.
Okay, yeah, we'll
No,
take a break.
after training.
Okay, but how much time driver G to reach?
We can take a break for the training.
Yeah,
You can,
No,
you can
after training.
because this is a training show, so we can take a break.
How much time driver G to reach?
20 minutes.
Another 20 minutes to sing, then we'll continue.
Yeah.
No, after training, I said I will sing.
Which means you know the training with Sabiha is never going to get over and he's never going to sing.
Okay. Take a break.
To your customer and you say it comes with a terrace, you will not say these things because it's not always necessary to that your terraces will allow you to do barbecue. So in simple terms,
A terrace is an outdoor space where you can enjoy with your family. It's,
Speak loud, please.
this is an extended balcony, which is a big size balcony, which is sometimes as big as your apartment size. Simple. It is agreed upon. So if it is a 30-day, then the amount will get 1 month. But if it's like 30 months, then it will get divided into 30 equal installments.
Fixed monthly
Okay,
installment.
fixed monthly installments, but they're equal.
तेरा मेरा है प्यार, तू चाहे तो कदमों में सर रख दूं, ये जीवन क्या तू मांगे तो मेरी जान नजर कर दूं। मुहाबत दोनों जुड़े हैं तुझसे पिया। I forgot, sorry.
हमारा दिल रुबा ताली हो।
वाह.
Clap guys, ताली हो, ताली हो। बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो कि देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल रुबा ताली हो।
चलो नेपाली बारी.
नहीं, I don't have that confidence.
Just a good song, Putama Putu.
Put,
हाँ, okay. नेपाली. Putama Putu.
I don't know.
Yes, Putama Putu sir.
एक लाइन तो गाओ ना।
नहीं.
Arshad, please come here. Please come here.
Yeah.
सलाला ऐसे जाएंगे हम सलाला। अच्छा आप लोग खुद जा रहे हो, ठीक है, सॉरी।
हाँ, अभी समझिए सभी.
आप खुद तो अकेले जा रहे हैं.
चलो भाई, रेडी? 1, 2, 3.
इधर टोन है नौला आतिफ असलम का।
Silent please everybody.
अब जो होता है वो न होता था, हुआ है तुझे
जो भी
तेरा
होने लगा हूँ,
Guys, please join.
होने लगा हूँ, जब से मिला हूँ, इलाही तेरा जी आए
Now Reshma will
कौन सी
sing.
रेस में हो?
Now हमारी की line आती है.
हाँ सुनाओ.
Okay.
कैरी ऑन जट्टा.
खड़ा होने की जरूरत है भाई, हाथ खोलना है, शाहरुख खान बंदा है.
छोड़ दो ना.
Okay. लग जागे हंसी रात हो न हो,
शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो.
नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो.
थोड़ा मुझे भी तो पूछो.
खत्म नहीं करी फिर से खत्म करवाइए.
वो क्या ना कुछ बता.
क्लैपिंग.
तेरा बदन जादू खुशबू तेरा बदन, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू है मेरी
किरण कौन है भाई? किरण कौन है?
Oh my God, dedication पूरा.
मेरे ख्वाबों की तस्वीर है तू, बेखबर मेरी तकदीर है तू, तू किसी और की हो न जाना, कुछ भी कर जाऊंगा मैं दीवाना, तू हाँ कर या ना कर, तू है मेरी किरण. जो गाना तो पूरा गा करो.
शौक है
गाना लड़ना नहीं है.
को मेरा है नशा, जवानी कहते हैं मुझे है
मुझे मालूम ही नहीं है गाना, तो मैं क्या
सुना ही
गाया?
नहीं ये गाना.
क्या
सुना नहीं ये
सारा
गाना.
ज़माना
हसीनों का दीवाना.
दीवाना कहे फिर क्यों, बुरा है दिल लगाना,
बुरा है.
सारा ज़माना.
अनाउंस कर दो ना.
Guys, we have reached.
माइक बंद है.
रेशमा who is the winner?
माइक तो बंद हो गया.
माइक ओपन करना भाई.
सालिम सर.
सालिम
भाई
भाई
थोड़ा माइक ओपन करना.
माइक ओपन है उधर प्रेस कर दो.
प्रेस करो.
प्रेस कर दो.
उधर अच्छा ओके.
Yes.
Please have a seat. We have finally reached. Thank you for having a good time.
गुंगा बोला.
And shut up.
The flight is
The
landing.
winner
Everybody fasten the
of
seat belt, please.
Today's क्या बोल सकते हैं?
Standing competition is.
Who is the
Standing
winner?
combination is
Sabina.
Sabina. Thank you for
अलग अलग
congratulations.
singing is
And
standing
for
अलग अलग award.
singing is Mr. Majid. The
Oh,
best
Mr.
song.
Saleh. Mr. Saleh.
Partiality.
सबसे अच्छा.
And Salim sir.
होती हाईलाइट बाजी. जो जीता उसका नाम बोलो ना.
मुझे गाना उसका पसंद है. मैं
कभी जज न बनाना भाई.
आपका भी गाना.
ये वो है.
Okay.
ये बहुत ही
चलो
गलत
भाई.
जज है.
अभी भाई आप लोगों की बातें सुन सुन के थक गया. नीचे उतरो.
Thank you so much.
Has it started? Is there anything?
much more peaceful than Dubai, not hustle and bustle. And we only have the three places that is the free gold in Ras Al Khaimah. That is first Marjan Island, Alhambra and Mina Island.
Yes.
If you will talk about the Marjan Island, only 20% of the construction is done. So even if it's complete, it will take around 2029. Whereas in Mina Island, it's only 40% done. But if you will talk about Alhambra, it's 90% already matured. So we have everything inside the community. Like we have the 5-star hotels like Ritz-Carlton, Sofitel, Waldorf Astoria. We have the malls. we have the school there, British school, and 2 more schools are coming. Okay, and we already have the people living from the 99 nationalities. Already 8,000 people are here living. So we have the Royal Yacht Club. We are the only community having the 18-hole championship golf course. So we have everything inside the community. Ready the government?
So all that will be done by your side.
Yeah,
from
it
the
will be
developer.
done everything from for 12 years you will not pay anything. You don't have to pay. Even if you are buying a studio with a joint partner, you will get the visa of 2 people, and they both can, get their family visa.
They both will get for 20 years each.
They can both get the
And
joint.
the family will also have the free service.
They for the family they have to pay the charges, but for the 2 partners they don't have to.
It's already included.
So
And this is inside the golf course.
This is having the hotel chain of the Sofitel, Ritz-Carlton, Waldorf Astoria, and Alhambra construction is there. We have the Alhambra residential here. We have the restaurants here. So everything is inside the community. So now the other project is coming up here. You can see this patch.
Yeah.
This patch is called Alhambra Greens. So it will be around 12 buildings. It would be like G+2 podium and 8 floors. So it will be facing the golf course, and backside it will be facing the Rao Center. You know the Rao Center, which is going to be the next DIFC, like same like the financial center of Dubai. It would be the home of 3,000 A-grade companies here.
Falcon Island, rest is Alhambra Island.
Falcon Island is a part of Alhambra. The name is Falcon Island Project.
Hello, Mr. Sahib.
Hi, Zohaib.
Hi.
हेलो जोहेब, अब आपको कैमरा में लेते हैं.
Only person who is
My only favorite person in Kulmakan.
कैमरे को कवर कर रहा है तुम्हारा खराब हो रहा है.
ओह, कैसे लिया आपने? ये ओपन करते हैं ना, इसलिए क्लियर नहीं आ रहा था. हाय जोहेब,
रूखा सूखा महीना.
आपको पता है ना आप सबसे फेवरेट हो मेरे ऑफिस में.
Thank you, Rishma.
मुझे तो ग्रुप में आपके बारे में कोई कुछ लिखता भी मैं उसको गाली देती हूँ बहुत.
और पीछे से फिर खुद ये बोलती है ना.
He was just giving it, he was being kind and passing it on to the others.
पता है इतने
बहुत पैसे हैं. सर 2 इंजेक्शन लगाए 120 ग्राम लिए.
Hi Reshma. नहीं सभी आपसे मैं ले रहा हूँ. What ladies में? आप कब से आ रहे हैं? आप ladies में कब से आ रहे हैं? You're women.
Excuse me. Are you trying to say that women can't?
Hi, hot.
I'm sorry, that's a very Don't get me started. Zain.
Reshma, you're
By now
looking
you
very
should know not to
pretty.
get me started. बड़ा मजा आता है.
Hi Arsan. Hi. You are looking very pretty.
मेरे को बड़ा.
ब्रेक में क्या चोरी कर सकते हैं? ये वाली.
How is the chicken?
Taste and check.
I haven't taken the chicken.
उधर बैठ. टाइम पास पूछा क्या खाया सुबह से क्या किया भी कैसा लगा ये बीच और अपार्टमेंट ही चले ना अच्छा ये वो ये मेन है नोट. अच्छा भाई रेडी.
तो बात करते हैं आज की ब्यूटीफुल गैदरिंग के बारे में। आज मेरा सवाल है रेशमा जी से कि आज हम रासल खैमा में आए हैं। फुल मकान रियल एस्टेट की पूरी टीम माशाल्लाह इधर है। तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के बारे में? आपको कैसा लगा रासल खैमा में आके?
बहुत गर्मी लगी।
इसलिए करीम लगा?
क्रीम नहीं पूछ के आई हूँ सब।
ये वीडियो
क्यों गर्मी लगी आपको? इधर उधर टेम्परेचर कम है।
रेशमा जी ये वीडियो में डालूं
तो वो डाल ओ वो यही बात सुनो, वो यही तो चाहती है क्योंकि हाँ इसीलिए तो कर रही है वो। इसी तरह
नहीं डालो।
उसके व्यूज आएंगे ना।
डालेंगे, आप मत डालो।
अच्छा तो रेशमा जी मजाक को छोड़ के आपको बताएं आपको कैसा लगा आज का?
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। ये हमारा पहला ट्रिप था जो एजुकेशनल था ना। ऐसे ब्रीफिंग के लिए हम लोग कभी गाड़ी रिजर्व करके, बस रिजर्व करके नहीं आए ना।
सही।
और उसके अलावा जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है। और यहाँ पे गोल्डन वीज़ा नहीं, 12 साल का वीज़ा और 12 साल का ट्रेड लाइसेंस फ्री में मिल रहा है आप लोगों को। एवरी ईयर आपको पैसे खर्च करके रिन्यू करने की जरूरत नहीं है, डेवलपर खुद कर देगा।
तो आप इन्वेस्टर को
आप भी आप कुछ बताइए।
आप कैसे ब्रीफ करेंगे यहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टी लेने के लिए? क्या आपका
सीनियो की वजह से जो रसल खेमा के जो मार्केट है ना वो दुबई से भी डबल हो चुका है। ठीक है, बस यहाँ की इन्वायरमेंट बहुत अच्छी है। इधर का व्यू भी दिखाओ, कितना अच्छा व्यू है। देखो बीच व्यू है। एंड देन हाँ, यहाँ का वेदर थोड़ा दुबई से थोड़ा कम ही गर्मी होता है। सो दे लाइक दिस वेदर। इन्वायरमेंट इज ऑल्सो नाइस। इतना क्राउड भी नहीं है, देयर इज नो ट्रैफिक। हाँ ठीक है, तो अभी आगे की बात
आगे आप बात करो अभी।
ओवरऑल द वर्ल्ड में देखें रेशमा जी,
यासिर भाई कैन यू फॉरवर्ड?
इनको भी
माजिद भाई से मेरा सवाल है कि ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड पब्लिक ज़्यादातर एमिरेट्स के नाम को कम जानती है, दुबई के नाम को ज़्यादा जानती है। जिसको पूछो दुबई जा रहे हैं। तो रासल खैमा क्या अभी वेल नोन सिटी है?
देखिए दुबई के बाद अगर आप बात करें ना यूएई में वेल नोन सिटी रासल खैमा भी है, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ कम्प्लीटली एक आइलैंड के ऊपर है। आइलैंड बेस्ड कम्युनिटी, यहाँ पे टूरिज्म में बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं यहाँ घूमने फिरने के लिए। टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे, रिजॉर्ट टाइप लाइफस्टाइल यहाँ पे है। अभी सबसे बड़ा जैसे कि आपको पता है वेंट कसिनो यहाँ पे आ रहा है, जिसकी वजह से इस एरिया की डिमांड भी बढ़ रही है और टूरिज्म बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है। अब 10 गुना ज़्यादा टूरिज्म एक्सपेक्टेड है कि 2 ईयर्स में होगा। अभी रिसेंटली अगर रिव्यू की बात करें तो तकरीबन 2.5 to 3.5 मिलियन पीपल एवरी ईयर यहाँ पे आते हैं एज अ टूरिज्म, घूमने फिरने के लिए, लाइक रहने के लिए, एज अ टूरिज्म स्पॉट की जैसे होता है ना, जैसे जहाँ पे जाके लोग विजिट करते हैं, रहते हैं कुछ टाइम के लिए, हॉलीडे अपनी स्पेंड करते हैं। तो उस वजह से ये एरिया की डिमांड भी बढ़ रही है। लोग इन्वेस्टर्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ आ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे होटल्स, रिजॉर्ट्स, 5 स्टार 7 स्टार होटल्स भी बन रहे हैं यहाँ पे भी। 5 स्टार होटल्स तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे हैं, बट 7 स्टार होटल्स भी बन रहे हैं यहाँ पे। कसिनो आ रहा है जिसकी वजह से जो कि ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड लोग गैम्बलिंग के लिए आते हैं, जैसे कसिनो में विजिट करना पसंद करते हैं जो लोग, उनके लिए ये है कि फिर ये एक अच्छा स्पॉट बन जाएगा। क्योंकि जीसीसी में कोई भी कसिनो नहीं है इस टाइम पे ऑपरेशनल जो इस लेवल पे हो। बट छोटे छोटे कसिनो होंगे, बट इस लेवल पे बड़ा कसिनो कोई भी नहीं है पूरे जीसीसी में।
और ये तो वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट।
बहुत अच्छा आंसर
सुहेल भाई आपसे मेरा सवाल है, आपको इधर का खाना कैसा लगा?
आपने भी बहुत अच्छा आंसर
अच्छा
दिया।
था, सब ठीक था, लेकिन गर्मी अच्छी थी इधर की।
सुहेल भाई एक आपसे सवाल था।
थोड़ा लाउड बोले।
देखिए यहाँ पे सबसे बेस्ट है
सब्जी
पेमेंट
खाऊंगा, सब्जी के अलावा कुछ नहीं खाऊंगा।
चिकन बर्गर
चक्कर क्या
खाया
हुआ है
आपने?
आपको? चीजें देख के आपके मुंह में पानी आ गया क्या हुआ?
मेरा चक्कर सब अच्छा था, मैंने जो भी खाया सब अच्छा खाया।
सब्जी में एक्चुअली मायोनीज ज़्यादा था और मायोनीज में जो है वो कैलोरी ज़्यादा होती है, तो भाई ने ये सोचा क्या ईट हेल्दी,
मायोनीज नहीं खाया।
वेट लूज करने के चक्कर में सुहेल भाई।
चिकन का
चलो भाई सब बाय बाय कर दो, बहुत लंबी वीडियो हो गई है।
बाय 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 we look finished.
Villa and townhouses in United Arab Emirates with a starting price of 1100 dirham per square feet with a payment plan of 50-50. So finally we are done with our day and it was a great day. So abhi it's already 7 o'clock and we are going back to Dubai now. And I have project ko briefing ho ta मैले हजुरलाई दिइसकेको छु. So let's ask my colleague उनीहरुको दिन चाहिँ कस्तो गयो भनेर.
Yes.
How was your day?
Yeah, Reshma, it was a productive day. We had so much knowledge about Ras Al Khaimah, what is happening in that area, a lot of projects. Overall, it's a good experience. We had a great day.
Okay, thank you. Everyone is tired. How was your day?
It was very good.
बहुत मजा आया। रेशमा ने बहुत सारे वीडियो बनाए, मेरे पीछे पीछे घूमी, 50 dirham का पानी भी पिया और पिलाया दूसरों को।
गरीब लोग. You're taking rest? Okay, I'll talk to you later. You can also rest. Salim sir, how was your day?
Very hot.
Salim sir, you're the boss. Why are you sleeping? How was your day?
Day was awesome, tremendous day. Loved the project. So hopefully our investors will contact us and come for a meeting and see the projects here. Project is very nice, and especially the Alhamra village. It's a government developer and they're well known. It's been long time. They are in this Alhamra village. The projects are since so long, so the new projects are well luxury and awesome. So to come and meet us, we come here together and close your deal.
Thank you. Welcome to Shama, beauty of Kulmakan.
Thank you. Okay.
So how was the project? I mean, the developer and everything. Like, how was your experience today?
If I talk about my experience with all of you guys, it was my first journey, as I have said, with Kel Makan family. It was a great day spending with all of you and learning so many things. And if I talk about the projects, everyone should go for Ras Al Khaimah after Dubai because it's having so many new things, like for example Wind Casino, and it's full of greenery, full of water. So if they want to live a resort type lifestyle, they should go to Ras Al Khaimah with affordable prices. So the developer was very good. Thank you so much, Reshma.
Thank you. Mashallah, new but lots of knowledge. You took all the knowledge about the project. Huh? ठीक है. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good, thanks. And how are you doing, Reshma?
So, how was your experience since it's your first day?
My very first
And
day, but I had
yeah.
a wonderful experience for the first time. It was really very good.
So, do you think the developer and the project is good for the investors?
It's a very good project, and for investors, it's very good because they are getting a 12-year visa with a free license. So I think that's really very good for investors.
Yeah, and no other developer is giving.
You know, they really gain a lot out of this, really, because 10 years visa for free, trade license. You know, they have the beach, the waterfront. They have an 8-hole golf course, lots of facilities, shopping malls, schools. So I think it's a wonderful project that anybody could invest in, really. Come to Ras Al Khaimah.
Yes, welcome to Rasulullah. Thank you so much. So Arsal, अभी आप बताएं, आप हिंदी में बताना हिंदी व्यूअर्स के लिए, ठीक है? लाइक इंडियन व्यूअर्स के लिए.
क्या बताना है?
एक्सपीरियंस आज कैसा रहा और आप बताओ डेवलपर के बारे में.
मेरा सारा एक्सपीरियंस कुल मकान का बहुत अच्छा जाता है.
थोड़ा माइक भी पकड़ने की.
भाई कंफ्यूज नहीं करो भाई. बहुत अच्छा डेवलपर है और आई थिंक बहुत अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं इसमें. बहुत ही अच्छा स्टार्टिंग प्राइसेस हैं. आई थिंक इस तरह की स्टार्टिंग प्राइस अभी तक दुबई में नहीं और कोई रास अल खैमा में नहीं आए. बहुत अच्छे अफोर्डेबल है और जो अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं वो तो इजीली भी ले सकते हैं. और वाटर फ्रंट बॉडी है तो इसका मतलब है कि कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन होगा ही होगा. तो आई थिंक लेना चाहिए और इट्स द बेस्ट. दैट्स इट.
Okay, thank you so much. So Mr. Faz, he is our youngest realtor in KL Makan. So what do you have to say? Like, how was your experience?
It was good. I had fun. I had fun, especially in the bus while coming here. And there it was very nice, but it was so hot. Yeah.
But it was not as hot as Dubai.
Yeah, it was a bit better, especially at the sea area. The weather, the wind was very nice. But I had a lot of fun.
Thank you. Hello, he's a newbie of Kul Makan.
I'm a newbie.
So what do you have to say about today's experience? How was your experience?
It was a good experience. To be honest, I didn't know too much about real estate, but yeah, I got to know a lot. I made a few friends also in real estate. So yeah, it was a good experience. I got to learn a lot of things. So yeah, you have to work hard, but at the same time, you have to be smart as well.
Yes. And how was your experience as making the first video?
First video, honestly speaking, I thought it's going to be a little bit difficult,
but everyone is so friendly and it was very easy, to be honest. And we made a few cuts, so it was a good experience. It was easy. I don't think it's too much difficult. Anyone can do it.
What do you have to say about the developer?
About the developer, or the developer has everything you require. I mean, developer has studio apartment, they have standalone villa, they have townhouse, and Ras Al Khaimah is, to be honest, the next Dubai, and it's the future because everyone knows because of the casino, and the capital appreciation is also very good over here. Examples are already there. The Falcon Island, I mean, it's like a wonderland. So yeah, it's a good experience. First day is a lot, so yeah, that's all I have.
Thank you so much. First day, but good. He's busy. So, Mr. Akram, the most experienced guy of KL Makan.
It was a long day. I'm tired right now. I was just relaxing when you popped up. So yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so how was your day? And say something to our viewers about the developer and the project.
Definitely, it is a very good property to. Waterfront properties are definitely very good to invest. Wherever, not in UAE, anywhere in the world you buy beachfront or waterfront properties, they are very good in terms of capital appreciation. Right now, we are looking around 1,100 dirhams per square feet for a beachfront apartment. At this point of near Wynn Casino, which is just 7 minutes away, definitely you should. It's a good opportunity for all our investors as well. So yes, I'll work on this. Inshallah, let's see we can close some deals. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Akram, and also good luck to you.
Thank you.
Hi. You're busy?
Yes. Listening to music.
Are you busy?
I almost called.
Okay. So, how was your day today, and what do you have to say about the project, the developer, and what do you think, to our viewers and investors?
Um, I had a great day, a lovely experience. I think it's an awesome project. Very beautiful, amazing beaches, the weather, next to the golf course, the DP Tour World Cup, golf course amazing. Yeah, affordable for the region. I think an awesome project.
So, do you like the project?
I love it.
And on addition, the best part, you can get 12 years visa and 12-year trade license that is free of cost. You have to renew every 3 years, not every year. So that is a plus point, yeah. So,
Every 3 years.
yeah, every 3 years, and it's free of cost for 12 years. After that, you can renew, but annually.
Thank you, Akram. Thank you. Okay. So this is our छोटा पैकेट. जोहेब. सा जोहेब आप बताओ. ये बड़ा धमाके करते रहते हैं KL मकान में. तो आज का आपका दिन कैसा रहा? आपको उर्दू में, हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में, जिसमें बात करने आपको इजी लगे उसी में बोलो. नेपाली में भी बोल सकते हो.
Yeah, Hujurullah. I cannot speak Nepali, but today it was very amazing day, and it will be memorable for all of us, and especially this bus journey. It's very nice, and
Want to sing again?
no, I cannot sing again. I tired. The project was very good, especially the 5-star hotel where we lunch. The food was very tasty, and the developer Alhamra, the one of the top developer of Ras Al Khaimah, the projects was very good. As starting price was for 3-bedroom townhouse, 2.75 million, and with 2 years post handover on Hamra Island. It's very amazing, and
So much, Zohaib. You have all the information. Do you have anything else to say?
no, I just want to say thank you, KL Makan, and thank you, Rishma.
How many deals you are planning to close?
Inshallah, on Alhambra Island, I am planning to close the villa and townhouse.
Okay, good luck to you. Thank you. आपका हो गया. Hello, Mr. Yasin.
Hi, Miss Reshma. How are you today?
All good. आपको क्या बताना है?
आपने क्या पूछना है?
How was your day? बताओ थोड़ा
Yeah, the day was very fantastic today. We enjoyed and we work hard in the hard climate. The weather was very hard, so after all, we make up 4 videos. The amazing trips. Mostly, our all colleagues did very hard works. So amazing, fantastics. I am very happy. I am very happy for.
guys.
Thank you, Captain.
Thank you so much, man.
कौन बोला?
पार्किंग का
किनका? हाँ मैंने कर दिया, एक्सटेंड कर दिया और
सो यही नै थियो आजको दिन होइन प्रोजेक्ट चाहिँ हजुरको रसल खेमा अल हाम्रामा हो अनि लाइक वी हेभ अपार्टमेन्ट्सहरू विलाज टाउन हाउसेसहरू सबै छ होइन अनि बेस्ट थिङ भनेको चाहिँ हजुरले यहाँ जस्ट स्टार्टिङ प्राइस 1.3 मिलियनबाट मात्र इन्भेस्ट गर्दा पुग्छ तर त्यो पनि एकैचोटि पे गर्नु पर्दैन यसमा हजुरको पेमेन्ट प्लान पनि छ पोस्ट ह्यान्डओभर पनि छ अनि बेस्ट थिङ भनेको चाहिँ हजुरले यहाँ इन्भेस्ट गर्नुभयो भने हजुरलाई 12 वर्षको भिजा पनि आउँछ अनि ट्रेड लाइसेन्स पनि फ्री अफ कस्ट आउँछ लाइक एभ्री 3 इयर रिन्यू गरे पनि त्यो हजुरलाई डेभलपरले आफै नै रिन्यू गरेर दिन्छ सो लाइक दुबईमा जस्तो 2 मिलियन पनि इन्भेस्ट गर्नु पर्दैन हजुरले सो अब एक्ज्याक्ट हजुरले अपार्टमेन्ट टाउन हाउस या भिलाजको कुनै पनि हजुरलाई डिटेल्सहरू प्रोजेक्टको लिनको लागि मैले हजुर यहाँ नम्बर राखिदिएको छु मेरो वाट्सएपमा मेसेज गर्नु होला या त मलाई कल गर्नु होला मेरो नम्बरमा थ्याङ्क यू सो मच हेभ अ गुड डे एभ्रीवन